Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing body butter. This body butter is good for every skin types. I want to welcome our new subscribers. Welcome to the family. This is a family channel. And to all our subscribers, thanks for your continued support. Please don't forget to subscribe, share the video. Please check the link to our online store. And please share the video. If you want to see how to make yours, gather your ingredients and let's get started. Please don't forget to help us shop our online store. So I'm going to use 3 butter for this project: lavender, shea butter, cocoa butter. And I've weighed about 4 ounces of shea butter. Shea butter is going to be more than the rest of the butter. You can use any amount, but I'm just using that. And I infuse all the chamomile, top oat, and aloe vera, vitamin E oil, cucumber oil, and aloe vera gel. And also, I'm going to use castor oil, vegetable glycerin, vegetable glycerin, golden jojoba oil. I call it jojoba oil, organic Moroccan argan oil. And before I start on anything, I always disinfect my working area. So that way I know and I don't talk over when I make products. And then I will put on my gloves. And this is the big guy that we're going to use today. So the bigger that you use, the better. And because it's going to be cold processed, we're going to chop the shea butter so it'll be much easier, because I'm not going to use it. I'm not going to double boil. I'm not going to do anything. We're going to do it. They come as you are. But make sure, if you want to use this method, make sure that you chop it really, really good. It'll be much easier when you blend it, to blend it really, really good. And before I blend it, I put oil instead of chop the butter first, but it's all good. Everything go to the same area. That's why you guys see the oil, and you didn't see me pour the oil. Don't say, where's the oil? I already put the oil. So when I put everything together, the next step, I'm going to add lavender butter. I used 2 tablespoons. I used 2 tablespoons of cocoa butter. Like you guys know, cocoa butter is really, really hard. So I have to really warm it a little bit to make it easier to put. And then the next step is I'm going to blend everything together with the hand blender and just blend it. First, I start with low, and then you can use it graduated like that. And the next step, I just top it about 5 minutes or so, and just scrape everything to make sure you get everything, and then blend it again before I add anything. Then I'm gonna add arrowroot powder. The benefit for that will be so that way when we apply, because of the oil that we put, it's not going to be shine. We're not going to be shine. So that's the benefit of that arrowroot powder. Some people use cornstarch, but I use arrowroot powder. It's good to absorb the oil. And after that, I'm going to blend it together and add the rest of the oil, the ingredients that I use, the gel, the rest of the argan oil, everything is added together. Glycerin, everything is added. And after that, I'm going to blend it again. And I'm going to add extract also. I add extract in it. And then I'm going to add the scent. And after that, I blend everything. This is it right here. Didn't we need a bread for real? Shoot. Beautiful, beautiful. And I'm going to show you guys how it comes out. I just take a little bit. And the spoon is sanitizer also. So I don't want to dig my hand. And to be honest with you, I don't know my skin is this good. People always say, but I thought maybe, you know what? Oh my God. I was like, what? But I've never I never really used my skin. My face, I know, but my skin, oof, this is really good. So the next step, I'm just going to put in a jar. So you can use any jar of your choice. Like this one is going to customer. So when you put it, especially when you use the glass, don't bang it on the table counter. You don't want to break it. Just put it, pat it gently. And this is it right here. It is lovely. Yes, and this is our body butter right here. And we have varieties of scent. I'm just going to show a few for some of us who want a natural scent. We have that. Oh, this is Elegance Chicks. We have First Lady. We have Blossom. This is a very good scent. I want to say thank you. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please visit our online store. Check the link on the information box.